Welcome to the Hard Reset YouTube channel. Today I will answer the question that is, what does AAR mean in COD Mobile? So in the Call of Duty mobile game, the AAR stands for After Action Report, and it contains all the information regarding your recent match, the match you've just played, all your the statistics of your teammate, enemies, and so on. In order to access it, you'll need to tap at your profile or player profile here, then open the history, find the match you would like to see the AAR from, let's say this one, and tap over here. And here are all the statistics that you'll ever need. Written over here, here's your personal statistics, so you can, identify what fields of your gameplay you should be working on and improving, and so on. Well, I guess that will be it for this video, guys, so thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.